H2Nano is building more sustainable water treatment solutions for the resources sector. We started with the question of whether we could build a more passive, economical, and sustainable solution that integrated well with the remediation landscape for energy and mining operations here in Canada. Through this, we developed SolarPass. SolarPass is a floating catalyst technology that deploys onto the surface of water and uses sunlight and the water itself to generate treatment chemicals that break down contaminants. In doing this, we avoid the use of chemicals, grid energy, and generating waste and concentrates that need disposal. This helps us to achieve a high strength of water treatment while integrating well with a natural remediation landscape in mining operations. H2Nano's technologies are contributing to a more sustainable resources sector by reducing the emissions and energy required for water treatment, while producing water that is more productive for reuse and safer for eventual return to the environment. Through the Clean Resources Innovation Network program, we're working with partners in Canada's oil sands to test SolarPass as a solution for treating the over 500 million cubic meters of water that are currently stored in mining operations. In the context of a changing climate around the globe, it's increasingly important that we pay attention to stewardship of our limited water resources. This is especially relevant in the context of growing mining and energy sectors to power ourselves to a more sustainable future. Our goal is to develop technologies like SolarPass that can make sustainable management of water possible in these large industrial operations, as well as developing future variants that can contribute to the development of critical minerals, clean fuels, and other solutions that can use natural energy sources to power a sustainable future. SolarPass is a built-in Canada technology solving one of Canada's major water treatment challenges, and we've done so with support from across the country. From the first days at the University of Waterloo and the Velocity Incubator, taking an initial invention and idea from the bench scale and building a business around that opportunity. And that was done with initial call for proposals from Canada's Oil Sands Innovation Alliance, COSIA, and support from those mine operators in developing the technology from initial proof of concept to the current application of that technology in the field. And Canada has been aggressive in investing in developing these technologies in the clean tech sector through buy-in from the provincial and federal levels, Alberta Innovates, the Clean Resource Innovation Network, all putting public dollars and support behind building new clean tech that can support Canadian resource development as well as across the world. Growing into the future, everyone at H2Nano is excited at the potential of SolarPass and other nature-powered technologies in ensuring a responsible development of our resources sector. Our goal is to have our technologies on every continent in mining, energy, agriculture, and other remediation applications to ensure the protection of that critical water resource that we depend on every day and to improve its reuse. But we've also realized the potential of developing technologies from the micrometer and material scale up to industrial operations to not only protect our water resources, but also to develop the critical minerals and clean fuels such as hydrogen that'll help to power a more sustainable future. And we're excited to continue applying Canadian ingenuity and the industriousness of our resources sector towards a tradition of generating new, clean technologies developed here at H2Nano. And we're excited to share more of those with you into the future.